Wine is still the most reliable way to run classic Windows apps on Linux, and today we're going to set it up on openSUSE Leap 16. The process is simple, but I'll walk through each step so you know exactly what the system is doing under the hood. We start by refreshing the system repositories. openSUSE uses Zypper as its package manager, and refreshing ensures we're working with the latest metadata. It's basically telling the system, check your sources and make sure you have the newest package information before installing anything. Leap 16 doesn't always include the most up-to-date wine builds in the default repos, so adding this source gives the system access to the maintained wine packages specifically built for Leap 16. This repo is trusted and kept updated by the openSUSE community. After adding the repo, we refresh again. That second refresh is important because it lets Zypper read the new repository and pull its package list into the system. Once that's done, we can install Wine without any missing package errors. For Leap 16, the recommended package is Wine WoW64. This installs both the 64-bit and 32-bit Wine components. A lot of older Windows software still depends on 32-bit libraries, so WoW64 avoids compatibility issues and gives you the full Wine setup in one go. When the installation completes, Wine is ready to use immediately. A quick version check confirms everything is installed correctly, and running WineCFG opens the configuration tool where you can adjust display, sound, or set the Windows version. To wrap up the tutorial, I also launch one of Wine's built-in demo apps, WineClock. It's a tiny Windows-style analog clock, but it's perfect to confirm Wine is working. If the clock opens, your Wine install is healthy and ready for real applications. It's a simple visual proof that the translation layer is functioning exactly as expected. That's the full setup. Add the repo, refresh, install Wine, configure it, and run your first Windows-style app right inside openSUSE Leap 16. Clean, quick, and fully functional.